There she is. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse One here. So, spent a few hours on the lawnmower today. I did some of the upper area as well. I did the one section on this side, that whole section there. Went down the driveway to the wood line, cut all that back, and then I did this here. And did this, and kind of like when I came in and out, I went down through and hit this kind of a little bit. I just don't have time to do more today because I still have to take a shower, try to get this video uploaded, and then and go to work. But yeah, it looks better already though. I love it when the grass is cut. I really do. So anyway, that's you know, there's more to do, but at least this part here, that took a while. And got that. I still have to go up through and around. I was going to show you guys. I've been eating these today, and I told Steve to have some too. These freaking cherries are so freaking good. Now last year, just to kind of give you a comparison, last year was year 2. I got maybe 20 cherries altogether off the cherry trees, and this year's definitely. And they're sweet. They taste so freaking good. So, yeah, they're really good. Just gotta spit the seed out. I was telling Steve, I said, there is nothing like being able to go to your own trees, pull fruit off of it, and just eat it. Nothing like it. So, anyway. Alright, so somebody had asked a question. They said, won't the wind rip up the screens like it did the plastic? And the answer is probably not. I'm not going to say it's definitely not, but most likely not, because the wind's going to go through the screens. You know, it's not like it's a solid screen. The wind is going to be able to move through there. And we have these out here, like I said, secured. Oh, here, hold on. There we go, guys. Cool. They practice through here once in a while. I've had them come right up over the top. I think, is there another one? Yeah, there he is. Here's the next one. I've had them come right across over here on the tree line, which is actually pretty neat. They practice through the valleys up through here and stuff like that. So, but anyhow, with the screening that we have, is there another one coming? I guess not. All right. But with the screening, that's going to keep it in, or the wood around the outside should keep that in place with no problem, and the wind should just go straight through. And because I know when you're in here now, instead of having the plastic, I can actually, just standing in here, I can feel a light breeze coming through here, which absolutely feels wonderful. So, but yeah, we got a lot to do in here and everything else. There's always something else to do. Actually got to take this back inside. But we'll just keep working on stuff as we can. But yeah, no, definitely, even from up here, the view is much nicer with the grass cut. And then I hit over here in Dave's area. That had grown up quite a bit because he had the camper over here, or I'm sorry, the trailer over here, and he pulled that out because he was doing some stuff with that. So I hit through there as well. So when he comes back, he's got a nice cut down area for himself there. So that'll be good too. But yeah, just like I said, we're just everybody's coming. A bunch more people are coming this weekend, and what I would like to try to get done here through the course of the week, weather permitting, of course, is get as much of this grass cut as I possibly can. So that's done before everybody gets here. Now I still got to move these chairs. I got to hit through this area here. That's not going to take very long at all. Not a big deal, but yeah. So that's pretty much it. Just trying to get things squared away, get things taken care of, and slow and steady. But and then hopefully next month Rob can bring that other stuff. Those, you see those guys right there on the screen, guys? Those are horse flies. Those are the nastiest things because they will get on you and they will bite you, and they are not nice. I got the puppies locked up because I was cutting grass. I leave her out because she stays close to me. She'll sit in the shade and watch me. That's what she does. So she's doing really good. She was a little naughty last night, so she got punished. As soon as I let everybody out, she took off. And she was and only Genghis stayed. The other 3 pups went with her. And they were only gone like maybe 5 minutes, but I was not happy about that because that was not what was the expectation, I guess is the right word. So she got some correction for that, but she got to learn. I have not bought a shock collar yet. I'm trying to hold off on that. I really don't want to do that if I can help it, but we'll see what happens. But nice day today, temperature-wise. I don't know exactly how warm it's going to be, but it's definitely toasty out here today. Working on my tan, so I'll show you. Shirt off, bandana on, working on my tan. So my neighbor is up and he's working with his brush hog, cutting his field. So he's working up there. I stopped and talked to him for a minute, and but. Yeah, pretty pleased with, now that we don't have rain every single day. It's like, you guys have no idea how bad it's been. But we'll get this cut, and we'll get things squared away and make it look a lot better. Anyway, guys, I am going to jump off for now. Hang in there, keep prepping, take care of your business. The insanity is the insanity, and you only get caught up in it if you allow yourself to. Focus on what you can control. That's important. I will talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.